Rudy Giuliani's long public humiliation reached a level that I didn't think it could go to because I've never heard a person having the problem that Rudy Giuliani is having. So all of what we're going to talk about comes out from his attorneys filing some paperwork. He's involved in this long bankruptcy procedure because he owes over $100 million to the election workers he defamed. So they said in this filing, unfortunately, Giuliani originally had an accountant who was helping with doing all this financial stuff. However, he had a change of heart and indicated that he no longer wished to help prepare the monthly operating reports. So the monthly operating reports are, him abiding by his $43,000 a month budget that he has and that he's blown through multiple times. The document states that the debtor, in this case Giuliani, advised that he reached out to a number of accounting firms and CPAs seeking their help. However, no one seems interested in taking the assignment. I didn't even know that was a thing. We know that they have trouble getting lawyers or whatever. Trump has had so much trouble getting lawyers that he had Rudy Giuliani serve as his lawyer. Okay, we get that. I've never heard of accountants refusing to represent someone. It's literally just paperwork. What would the problem be? And it's huge sums of money. I have to imagine they would make good money off of it. Accountants are turning down money because they don't want to be affiliated with Rudy Giuliani. That is how gross he has become. What do you think?
And maybe they don't want to get entangled. Next thing you know, you're in a deposition. You have to fly down to Georgia and appear in court. The judge says, go here, do this. You could even end up knowingly, no fault of your own perhaps, in legal trouble yourself. I don't blame them. Accountants are, by definition, low risk. They just want to do the numbers. They don't want anything crazy. And this guy with his hair dye, it's not a good risk for them.
Yeah, no, 100%. There's no conservative accountants. There's no MAGA accountant. There's no person who used to love Giuliani when he was America's mayor that's an accountant. Now, they don't want you to worry, despite the fact that they wrote that in the filing. His team put out a statement saying, while it's true that the permanent Washington political class is leveraging all of its power and influence to bully and scare people from defending Americans who are willing to stand up and push back against the accepted narrative that he's bankrupt, that's your narrative, not our narrative. He declared bankruptcy. Mayor Giuliani will be appropriately represented when it comes to his accounting and finances. Considering his finances, maybe not having an accountant is appropriate, honestly. And I love the claim there. Do you get what they're saying, everyone watching this? I know that they're using a lot of words. They're implying that the deep state has pressured accountants to not work for Giuliani. I don't think that's what's happening. I mean, granted, look, I'm biased against Giuliani. I'm literally doing this segment just so I can make fun of him. But I don't think that that's what's going on. I don't think there's a conspiracy. I think it's what Sharon said. They just don't want to have him on their list of clients. Would you want to meet with Rudy Giuliani? I ask you. Thanks for watching our video. Did you know that you can support our show by becoming a subscriber? Just click the subscribe button and also ring the bell so that you get notifications when we're live or when we post new content.